This time we have to multiply two mixed numbers together. Again, before we are going to perform any multiplication, we have to convert mixed number to improper fractions by multiplying denominator by the whole number and the result add to the numerator. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 7 is 47. 47 over 8. Remember, denominator stays always the same. Times, this time I'm going to multiply 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 over 3. Remember, denominator will stay the same. Check if we can reduce any numerator with any denominator. 8 and 10, both of them are divisible by 2. That's why my problem right now is going to look like this. 47 over 4 times 5 over 3. 47 times 5 is equal to 35 over 4 times 3 is 12. This is the example of the improper fraction. Most of the time we have to convert improper fraction to the mixed number. We simply divide 2/35, we divide the numerator by the denominator, by 12. How many times 12 goes into 23? Once. 1 times 12 is equal to 12. Subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. I can bring down 5. The question is, how many times 12 goes into 115? 9. 9 times 12 is equal 108. Now, 15 minus 8 is equal 7. Okay, so my answer is 19, and I have 7 over 12, where the top number goes to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, and divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my answer is 19 and 7 over 12. This is the solution to the problem.